Hey there Titans, welcome to Form Titan Basics. In this video I'll show you how to use the in clause when you map the record that you're getting into an element in the form. So let's start. What we will do here, we will look up an account, bring up all the contacts, and use the in to bring in any tasks we have on the contact. So let's start. We'll make a simple lookup and let's name this, and we'll bring in a table. This will be first name, last name, and account name. Okay, next let's bring a table for the tasks. Let's see what we have on the task. So let's go into the contact. And create a task. So we'll bring in the subject and the related to and the status. Okay. Subject, status, and related to. Now let's get our mapping in order. So we'll go to Salesforce integration, set our gets, and we'll get the contact object. And we will say our contact ID, our account ID, contact account ID equals to our lookup, find an account. And let's bring in everything, limit by 20, let's do 50, and we'll map the fields. So we'll go to our first, last, and the account name. And we'll apply this. And another thing we will do in order to use the in clause whenever we map from the whenever we map our get to elements, so we're gonna add a hidden that will say contact IDs and head back to our get and map our hidden. Now, whenever you bring back a list from Salesforce and map it to a hidden, Form Titan will add all the IDs with a comma delimiter so you can use it for the in clause. And now let's set the other get for the task. So let's grab our tasks. Okay, and our condition will be that the parent ID related to ID in our contact IDs. We'll apply this. Let's set our mapping. Let's just bring everything. We'll do 50, and we'll set our mapping. So we have subject, and status, and related to. So we need the who ID because we're working with contact. So we need to change our query as well, and we're going to say contact ID Let's bring in the full name. Let's change our condition. We'll change it to the name ID. And we'll apply. Since we're working with contact, then it's a who ID, and if it's working with other objects aside from contact and lead, it will be what ID. Okay, so we have this set up. Let's just add some tasks. We'll do another thing, and we'll save. And let's see which account. Let's relate this to an account. Let's do United Oil and save. Now let's publish our form and see how it does. Before then, let's set the debug mode so we can see our hidden. Save this, publish our form. Okay, let's find our United Oil. Okay, we got a bunch of contacts, and we can see the form Titan returned all the contact IDs, and whatever is in here, then we get the tasks with the in clause. And this is how it's done.